Sorry, I'm not crying. I'd rather be with nobody than with somebody who let me be someone else. I'd rather be with nobody than with somebody like you. Expectations in the sky.
It's getting very real now. I don't know why they're shoveling. What is going on? Good morning, everyone. It is going to be a big day because I guess there's just gonna be like a snowstorm or something. Make a coffee bowl. So I did just take a shower and then I am going to drink my coffee. But today's video is gonna be a what I eat in a day, but Korean food version. So it's gonna be Korean food all day. I thought it was very fitting with this winter snowstorm that I mentioned earlier. So it's supposed to be pretty bad, the snowstorm in the Midwest. But even if it doesn't snow that much, the wind is supposed to be really bad. So after I drink this coffee, I wanna go to Target because yesterday when I was driving by, there were so many cars lined up to find a parking spot, not even to get into the store. I need to get out of the house once. So I'm just gonna go to Target because that is my happy place. I will show you guys the progression of the snowstorm, which is supposed to be crazy. And stay tuned to watch all the Korean food I whip up today. Snow trucks. All right, so I changed because I'm gonna head out and I don't like wearing home clothes outside. So for breakfast, I'm gonna be making banana matcha latte. I made a shorts on this before. This is gonna be iced and I'm drinking iced drinks on a very cold day. But I was on the phone with Grace this morning and I heard Ella go, and I was like, oh my God, I have to go see her. I can't hold myself. So I'm gonna go see Ella too before the snowstorm. So we'll go to Target and then go see Ella. But before that, let's make our breakfast. No! Oh my gosh. Fail. As many cars as I expected. I don't know if you can see it. What is going on? Oh, okay. Ella. She's so cute, I can't.
She's staring at the camera.
Oh, you like the camera, Ella? Oh, why are you kicking me? Can you say hi to everyone? Can you say hi? Okay. It's really snowing now, so I'm going home. It's getting covered. Alright, so we are back home and it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna be making 떡 만두국. This is translated into rice cake dumpling soup. And Koreans say you gain 1 year when you eat it. So I love eating this rice cake soup on cold winter days like this because it really warms up my soul. It feels like comfort food and it's very filling. And the best is when you can add some dumplings in there as well, which my mom made me some. So with no further ado, let's start cooking. love this broth tablet. I've showed it to you guys many times, but it's so convenient and tasty. Here's the garlic. Add some dumplings in. This is a little thicker. Some salt. In the meantime, let's beat 1 egg. Green onions. Wow, so good. 잘 먹겠습니다. I don't know why they're shoveling the reservoir. It's a winter wonderland here. I have some random kiddos that are shoveling the snow on the reservoir. I'm really confused. They could be shoveling our garage, right? Anyways, today's dinner is gonna be kimchi jjigae, and it's a Korean kimchi stew. It's delicious. I had 1 strip of samgyeopsal left, so I thought it'd be perfect to make this dish. I do have some leftover rice balls and also this chicken dish because we had friends over yesterday. So let's get started. There's too much fat on this.
Got to feel in heaven when my lover's near. Lord, let this moment last for another year. Though today has ended, the night's still young, I'd say. Lover, don't go away. Let it be the thing that I am.
Then the salted 물.
Let's fly out from Manhattan to
The key to all of this is the kimchi 국물.
just to watch the ships at night on the San Francisco Bay. Oh, lover, please, please stay. Don't say you have to go.
Tofu.
Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown. Let it be the night that I am longing for. Let's fly down south to Austin or to Ecuador just to drink pina colada on a hot, wet summer's day. Oh, lover, please, please stay. Yeah. Don't say you have to go. Don't say you need to run. I'll stop the clock on Central Station and we can have a drink downtown.